I don't think people understand hurricanes and typhoons. They're basically twins with different passports. So what's the difference between a hurricane and a typhoon? Spoiler alert, they're the same wild weather phenomenon. Both are tropical cyclones, but we call them different names, depending on where they throw their windy tantrums. In the Atlantic and Northeast Pacific, we call them hurricanes. In the Northwest Pacific, they're called typhoons. And in the South Pacific and Indian Ocean, cyclones. Here's a fun fact. The names of these storms are actually chosen years in advance. If a storm is super destructive, its name gets retired, like a Hall of Fame for bad weather. So remember, whether it's a hurricane, typhoon or cyclone, it's just Mother Nature flexing her muscles. Now, go impress your friends with your newfound storm smarts. Stay safe and stay curious.